What's going on, DIYers? My name is Billy and welcome back to Mr. Fix-It, where we save you time and money on your projects. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal. We're going to be installing a Graco car seat. So let's get right into it.
First and foremost, you do want to make sure you're installing this on a flat level surface because there is a level on the base that shows you where the base needs to be sitting, and being on unlevel ground will affect this step. To get started, you're going to want to open the compartment that contains the latch system and get those out. Make sure you can close this compartment back up. Then you'll open the Snuglock arm and get your latch system aligned. There are two openings on the base where the latch system will go through to snap into your vehicle's latch brackets. You'll hear them both click into place, and then you'll begin to tighten down on the strap while pushing down on the base. While doing this, you want to make sure that the latch belt is above the two notches on the Snuglock. Once you feel that you've got the belt tight enough, grab the Snuglock arm and press down until you hear it click. This tightens your base even more. And now you're ready to put your infant car seat in.
Now, before you take off, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll see you on the next project.